So we have to evaluate the integral. So the integral is 3 minus 3x to the 7th dx. So we're going to use to evaluate the integral using u substitution. So we're going to let u equal 3 minus 3x to simplify it more. So with the u equals 3 minus 3x, we're going to take the derivative in respect to both sides. So then that would equal to du equals negative 3 dx. Now our goal is to get dx by itself, so we can substitute that back into the integral where it says dx. So when we divide by 3, negative 3 on both sides, we're going to get dx equals negative 1/3 du. Now from there, we're going to substitute that value of dx into the integral, so we're left with u to the 7th times negative 1/3 du. Now we're going to take the antiderivative of u to the 7th. But first, what I'm going to do is bring the negative 1/3 to the front to make it easier. And when we're evaluating the antiderivative of u to the 7th, what you do is you add 1 to the exponent and then you divide by whatever that exponent is. So for example, in this scenario, it's u to the 7th, so we're going to add 1, which is u to the 8th, and then we divide it by 8th because that's what the exponent is. And then we always plus a capital C. And lastly, we can then simplify it to negative u to the 8th divided by 24, because negative 1 times u to the 8th would be negative u to the 8th, and then 3 times 8 is 24. And then lastly, what we're going to do is replace u with what we substituted it in with, so 3 minus 3x. Then we're left with negative 1 over 24 times 3 minus 3x to the 8th plus c.